Changing name of space in Mac osxlion. Is there any way to change the name of a space on Lion? I'm sure that it's not possible to change the name of a space being taken up by a full screen app, but is it possible to change the name of the desktop hash spaces?
Not really. However, if you have a space occupied by a full screen application, the name of the space will change to the name of that application. The commercial Total Spaces by Binary H allows you to name spaces. Its other features include a grid alignment of spaces and app assignments, similar to Snow Leopard.
Based on Iconoclast's idea, you could create a sticky note for each desktop and place it in the lower left of the bottom of each desktop. It has the benefit of not requiring you to alter background images and allows you to still have a new background image every 30 minutes or so. But I agree, this is sorely missing from Mac OS X. Linux has had this for how many years now?
There is actually a way to name your spaces. Sort of. That is, you can't change the name that appears under them when you use mission control, which I will go on record saying is one of Apple's biggest mistakes. Spaces was a million times better, even though it too was crippled in some respects, but you can assign names to them and make it easier to tell them apart. The trick is that you can assign different desktop images to each space, now called a desktop. This will help make them easier to tell apart. As far as naming, this will be a huge pain and definitely not ideal. But a clutchy solution is all Apple leaves open to us. You have to put the name on the image. Yup, open an image editor and add some text on top of those lily pads, or that lion's head, or whatever. Yes, that sucks if you'd like to regularly name and rename your spaces. But if you have a few that you use most of the time, you can create a few desktop images with the names on them, and just live with it. I wish I could give a better solution, but it's out of my control, obviously. This is, unless someone discovers an as yet hidden setting somewhere in OS X, or until Apple realizes their mistake and fixes mission control, the best we can do.
I för att vänta support det här nu, läser från Cybersubscribing.